Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice vegetable. Rinse 1 cup rice and drain, then measure 2 cups water. Sauté onion, garlic, and carrots in oil until softened. Add rice to the pan, toast lightly, then pour in broth and bring to a simmer. Cover and cook on low until water is absorbed. Fluff with a fork and stir in peas and herbs for a bright finish. In this video, I will explain how to make rice vegetable. Start by measuring 1 cup rice and prepping 2 cups broth. Chop 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, and about 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Keep olive oil, salt, pepper, and a splash of soy sauce nearby for seasoning. Have fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro ready to add at the end for freshness and color. In this video, I will review a quick tip and an ad break. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for cooking marathons or long kitchen shifts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help make rice vegetable with simple steps. Sauté onion and garlic in oil until fragrant, then add vegetables and cook briefly. Stir in rice and toast for a minute so each grain gets coated. Pour in 2 cups broth, bring to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat and cover. Cook 15 minutes, then remove from heat and let rest 5 minutes before fluffing and adding herbs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.